This one has a good sized dent.
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I murk. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I murk. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work.
I have a Honda Pilot here. This one has a good sized dent right in the middle of the quarter panel right here. That's about all this one is. And then we'll blend the color into the rear door. So I'm gonna go ahead and start working this dent out. I'm gonna start with doing a little bit of glue pulling. I'm gonna put a couple tabs on here to bring that out. While my glue gun's getting hot, I'm gonna go ahead and clean off the panel and the tab. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put one more thin coat of glaze just across this top section from the body line up. There was just a little bit of weirdness going on. It might have primed and blocked out. I didn't want to gamble with it, so I figured I'd just do one more thin coat.